name is Andi Pateña-Matheu. Join me as we learn and unlearn things and make new discoveries. This is Andi's Discoveries. And the comma goes to
and discovery.
This month, I'm going to let you in on a secret as we'll discover secret savory dishes that are exclusively available here at Savoy Hotel Mactan Newtown, prepared by their new executive chef, Cook Semblante. These dishes are not offered in their menu, but they're readily available if magminarites ka and you'll ask for it. So for today, let's find out what they're whipping up for all the amazing moms out there in celebration of Mother's Day this May.
Welcome to the 4th episode of Secret Menu here at Savoy Hotel Mactan with
Andi
and
Andy.
Yup, two Andys.
Good afternoon, ma'am, sir. Welcome to Savoy Hotel.
Alright. Hello.
Our a la carte menu.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh babe, look. They have like a QR code.
Hi, Atty. Georgia, Sir Andi.
Hello.
Are we ready to order?
Yeah, I was just actually looking at the menu and the food looks amazing, but I was really wondering what the QR code is for.
Well, this one actually leads to a secret that Sir Andi has been hiding from you.
Oh, really?
But don't worry, it won't be a secret any longer.
Oh, I can't wait.
We'll be right back. Bye. Hi, Chef.
Hi, after chef.
All right, so starting this 4th episode, I'm going to join Chef Cook to do more of the talking and eating so that he can focus more on the cooking with the help, of course, of our guest chefs. And this time, it's going to be with businessman Mr. Andreas Klepp, whom I share the same name with.
Yes.
Once again, Sir Andi, too.
Yes.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me. Thank you for having me.
And for today's special episode, we are whipping something up for Sir Andi's beautiful wife, Atty. Georgia Klepp, and of course, for all of the amazing mothers out there in honor of Mother's Day this month of May. Excited na ko! Sige, Chef Cook and Sir Andi, what are we preparing today?
so we'll be preparing a dish that can be cooked at home for our mothers and our wives. So we'll be preparing beef with scallops. So it's our local scallops from Bantayan. So it will be a quick and easy dish. We sear the beef and the scallops.
Nice.
We top with red wine sauce and glaze it with pesto.
Is this a familiar dish to you,
Yes.
Sir Andi? Have you tried cooking something like this?
It is. It's like surf and turf. A little bit of
Yeah.
meat, a little bit of seafood. So
Sige.
it will be interesting.
Sige, kayo nagpaabot to si Atty. Georgia at the restaurant. What's our first step to do, Chef Cook?
First, we're gonna season the beef with salt and pepper.
Wow, saute.
Then we'll be searing it until to get the nice color.
Nice. How about you, Chef Cook? Unsa man imong usual dish na i-prepare for your wife?
Usually, anything comes from my heart.
So what I feeling?
what I
Basta
feeling,
from the
basta
heart.
It's already lame. Okay.
Ikaw, Sir Andi.
He got my answer. We must go. Seafood, steak is always, I think, the best, no? Easiest with some vegetables. That's pretty much it.
I'm sure that she's going to love this one as well.
Yes, because it's all made with love.
Yes.
Andy, can you help me sear the beef?
Yes, thank you, thank you. I'll be happy to help. Normally, you want me to sit for how long on each side?
So, searing is actually, can cook it for a minute in each side. So, just get the proper color. And we'll just put it in the oven after searing so we can get the proper temperature or the doneness of the beef.
Is that ready?
Yeah, it's ready. Thank you.
Side A and side B.
Yes.
Side A, side B.
At home ba, do you guys do most of the cooking? Of course, syempre kay chef, manggit ka chef cook. Pero basig, sa balay kay, kuan lang ka.
So, mostly si wife good sa
Si
bahay.
wife yun.
Bye.
Unsa man imong favorite dish nga lutuon ni wifey?
Anything lang? Basta gikan.
Gikan ka sa heart. How about you, Sir Andy? What's your favorite dish nga lutuon ni Attorney Georgia?
You're gonna laugh, but it's steak. It really is steak. Steak, and she makes really good lobster spaghetti.
Nice. Dapat daisy atong gipaluto sa dinner, no? Sige, what's our next step, chef?
So next, we'll be putting this in the oven for around 8 minutes so we get the proper temperature. So next step, we'll be searing the scallops, sir.
Thank you.
These scallops are fresh from Bantayan.
So we are using the local scallop.
Yes. I think this is also one of the nice things, no, about our culinary offerings here at Savoy Hotel Mactan Newtown. It's because we always make sure that we use local ingredients. And for this specific recipe, we are highlighting, aside from the beef, of course, the very lami na scallops from Bantayan.
Next step will be searing the vegetables.
Okay. So, kanin siya, chef. Unsa man yung vegetables nga itong gigamit?
So we'll be using carrots and green beans.
I think that Chef Andy right here wants to do the trending salt bay sprinkling of the
It will
salt.
be the magical
Yeah.
taste to it.
Sige daw, be. Like that. Muna nakabalami sa ato ang dish. I'm sure that your wives and your moms are watching this right now. Be, I would like to ask, what's your short message for them this Mother's Day? Ikaw na, Chef
Short?
Be.
Happy Mother's Day.
Ito, what's imong message? Imong mama, sa imong wife?
Thank you for everything and happy Mother's Day. I love you.
Oy. Sir Andy.
Just the same, I guess. Happy Mother's Day. I love you. And thank you for all your support. And our babies.
Yes, diba? It's really right for them to be honored every May. Actually, every day. No, kay dili gyud lalim ang role sa mga inahan. Okay, so we're already done searing the beef, the scallops, the vegetables. What's next, chef?
Next step is we gonna cook the sauce. So it's a plain demi-glace and just infuse it with red wine.
So Andy, what do you cook for your husband normally on Father's Day?
On Father's Day, I order online. So our sauce is already ready and our beef is also already ready. Ready na sad si Chef Andy to slice our beef. Are you ready, Chef?
Yes, I am. Thank you.
Sige.
There you go.
Perfect.
Our chef will do the plating.
You don't want to do it?
He's more artistic than me.
That's it.
Nice. Sige, so what does this usually come with, Min Chef?
So this dish usually comes with either rice or mashed potato.
Alright, sige. So I think nga excited na nga mutilaw si Attorney Georgia on behalf of all our mother guests here at Savoy Hotel Mactan Newtown. Are you excited to present your labor of love?
Yes, it was made just with love. So yes, it will be good.
Sige, let's go.
All right. Secret's out. Here you go.
Ta-da!
Wow! This looks amazing, guys!
Yay! Advance Happy Mother's Day, Attorney
Thank you
Georgia.
so much.
Go ahead, have a taste.
Okay, I'm going to try now. This is delicious. It's really good. Thank you, love.
You're welcome. Chef helped me with this.
Thank you, Chef.
Thank you, Sir Andy, for joining us.
Thank you too.
Thank you so much. It has been an absolute pleasure having the both of you. Thank you, Chef. And please stay tuned for our next secret menu episode wherein ang mga papanasad ang ato ang lutuan for Father's Day. And I'm super excited for our next guest chef, the ultimate father of everyone, basta Atty here at Savoy Hotel Mactan Newtown. Once again, happy Mother's Day to all the real-life heroines out there. Do stay tuned for our next secret menu episodes here on Andy's Coveries in partnership with Savoy Hotel Mactan Newtown.